What's poppin', YouTube?
In this life you'll go through changes, but don't give up, you're gonna make it.
What's good, y'all? So we got a litty vlog for the channel today. We're going to the beach and we're vlogging. We're going up, we're going crazy. So if you're new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next, and I got you. And let's get into it. So right now I'm getting ready, just finished getting ready. Let me show y'all the fit. Oh my god. Ooh, pretty, yes. Okay, so I'm about to show y'all my stepbrother. Y'all gonna see Miguel, Tamika, my dad. What? Huh? We got stepmama out here outside, period. She ready. What is this? This the annual family beach trip, right?
Yes.
Period. Okay, brother, come on. And, what? Huh? The fit is fitting. What we got in the what we got in the bag?
That's right.
Right. Don't cut me out, YouTube. Brother, we outside? We outside. My dad is finally outside. You ready for the beach or what?
It's time.
Whoa. Fine.
Clocky at a Casadori. Look at that Casadori. Ooh, and we got look hold on. Not only that, we got a gallon. We got a gallon too. Ooh.
We finna have fun with y'all. Okay, come on. I'm gonna show y'all.
Wait. I'm gonna throw this shit out.
Good beach, good beach. I gotta be in here. Yeah, so me and Miguel are currently stuck trying to find parking right now. So.
Wow, the others went to the bathroom. I hope they got a phone. That's all I got to say.
Hopefully everybody has their phone. Who else we lost?
Right.
Not us.
It's a lot more.
At least we're lost together though.
That part.
We can find somebody.
Right.
But yeah, so once we get parked
and we get this stuff out this car.
Right.
Dread smiling face with hearts.
Anyways.
FaceTime video.
Alright y'all, so we are finally approaching the beach. I found a parking spot. So I'm excited. We're gonna get to it. There's a whole bunch of tents out here. Let's find our family.
Where you coming?
Right now. Hi. Found it right here. Hi, Cleo. Keisha. Oh, wait. Hi. What's up? We're outside, y'all. Y'all didn't even meet Eric yet. Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all don't know yet. About to get my toes wet. Ooh, it's cold.
What is it? Turkey ribs, aka turkey shoulders. I don't know how it is. Iron. Tender as a mother. I don't know shit about the turkey ribs. Crazy. 1 through 10. 1 through 10.
Good fire.
The barbecue shop fire. Baby, turkey ribs ain't no motherfucking joke. Get you some, figure out what it is. The turkey ribs change your life. Cut the pork, cut the pork.
Woo!
gotta clap. Yeah, wow. This would be perfect time for a public interview. Where we at? What's your name and what's your occupation?
I'm not a rapper though.
Mama.
Who's good? Bitch.
Hey, y'all live how you want to live. What do you got?
So what? We chilling, but we still everybody gonna see that.
Got the roadie, but it's broke. You hear me? I'm broke.
Homie, pockets not thrown. What y'all drinking on? What's in the cup?
I wanna lie.
You drink liquor,
I
but
wanna lie.
I'm a dark video nigga, you know.
look.
But yeah, I'm finna eat this corn. I don't know what they finna do.
That motherfucker is not working out. Public interview is not pressing. Hold on, what she got? Ooh, you got the good serves. I like it.
Pick up my. That's not.
Ooh.
What she got?
Cool.
What she got?
Hot dog. What you selling? Corn? Oh, sorry. I just got some corn. What else you got? Ooh. Oh, ices? Oh, good luck with that. Thank you.
Yeah. They got the fire pit lit. Y'all. So I ended up falling asleep at the beach. Don't hate me, because we did get some footage. But I missed the games and I missed the dances that I practiced.
She missed that.
Yeah, so we're just gonna make this a day 2 vlog and we're gonna get to some festivities. We're gonna play pool tonight. Y'all gonna see that. Right now we're gonna just vibe and chill. So vibe and chill with us. Yes. Alright, y'all. So me and Miguel going to the mall. We're gonna walk around in there and see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then we're just gonna see where we're gonna take us. So y'all vibe, chill, kick it. So
Stay there.
alright. Stay tuned. We out here. Period. Outside, not in. We just at the mall, y'all. We walking around. Nothing specific. How you say? We not looking for nothing in particular. That's what I meant to say. Or specifically getting anything. Right. We just looking around because we was bored.
Adult Swim's real nice.
Yeah. Responsibilities. You could look. When you get in this store, you better not touch nothing. Don't you touch.
Don't you buy.
This is cute. The jacket? Let me see the jacket. Let's see the jacket. That's cute. Yeah. Come on, score. Hold on. Let me see the. Okay, I like stuff like this. You know, I would always cross my legs, but it makes it a little better. You know, that's like a sport. Yeah, that's fire. Oh, come on, Sam. Oh, come on, Sam. This is cute. Ooh, let's go in Bath and Body Works. Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. My smells.
Yeah, this one of my favorite.
This one.
And Shanice's. Into the Night is one of my favorite.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna be all in it.
They are.
Y'all, why I like the color of this bottle, so that's why I want to get it. It does smell good too, but I just like the colors. It's so cute. Okay, but get the body cream. Period. Getting that one. Okay, 2 more. Right? Yeah.
This one, it's up to you.
That's bad. Alright, let's put that one in there. Get the big one. Or the one next to it. Where that one's going. One more. Oh, but the butterfly. Have you smelled butterfly? They got detergent. We all know got detergent. So it's 1.
Take out one.
Okay, what's that? You think I should take out this one? Or
This one's leaving, y'all.
bye. So this is staying.
This spray.
But not the Oh, there's lotion. Okay, where's it at?
Just spray for that.
Right here. Right, make sure it's full. All right.
That's there. Check out another one.
Let's try to check out this one.
This one's leaving, y'all.
So we got 1, 2.
So one more go back for spray. Which one y'all pick? This is how it let it go. My mom told me to pick the best one.
This one's gone. Let me see.
Have it go, y'all.
Okay, and then
Get into the picture. Get into it, yeah. Hop off of the chair. Get into it, yeah.
So these are the winners, y'all. We got the Into the Night. We got the Brightest Moon. We got the Champagne Toast for the toast, the Rican. And yeah. We actually. I'm gonna go into Victoria's Secret now. Let's check this out. They got a sale going on. We're gonna see. They got a buy 10, $40, so I'm getting that. So I'm looking at the boy shorts too.
Now that we're at the
Alright, y'all, so I got Bath and Body Works, and I just got some Victoria's Secret. It's about that time, y'all. I think I'm gonna go for, well, I usually go for the hot dog bites, but I think I'm going for these right now. Alright, y'all, it's a review time, so we can see what it is. We got the good pizza bites, good pizza bites. Pizza bite. Take one. You gonna dip it in. I found an extra in the back that fell. Cheers. How much is it?
Wow.
I like it. It's giving.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Sorry, y'all, that was ghetto.
So I'm thinking about, tell me if y'all would watch or not. I'm thinking about doing like a little hot box session, or you know, smoke with the gang, drink with the gang type thing. Would y'all be interested in watching that? Like, I don't be trying to, you know, like promote that stuff. You know, I don't want to ever do that, but you know, that's what I do with my people. So,
These are good.
but you know, like, so if y'all be interested in watching, comment that down below. Like, I could do videos like we be out at the club, or you know, out anywhere. If y'all want to see us outside, let me know and I'll get that to y'all. But I think I am gonna put a like smoke with us video on my channel for the potheads out there. Get y'all something to watch.
And if not, come this way.
Yeah, we're gonna start his channel. I'm gonna put his channel name at the description, and then it's gonna be good.
Let me taste the cheese. Let me just taste it.
If y'all want to see it, come to the next video. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. And let's get into the other part of this video. Stay if you want to come to the hot box session.